guys, Joey here. I'm back, your average, regular, everyday, real minimalist. So as some of you guys already know, if you've seen my previous video and you've been following my channel, I am at a new place now, and I am slowly adjusting this place to my minimalist lifestyle. It's actually quite interesting because, excuse me, the camera's a little bit tilted. I'm not an expert here. Yeah, so it's interesting going from having complete control over my surroundings and then moving into a place. And although this place itself is new, the building's new and things like that, relatively new, it's not completely unlived in before, so I have to sort out a bunch of stuff and I have to throw out a bunch of stuff. I am living alone, but I also have a lot of stuff that doesn't really belong to me, but that I'm free to get rid of, and that I can actually manage and things like that. So it's pretty nice. But I am actually kind of clearing out the main space that I actually do a lot of activity in. The kitchen's gonna take a while, so if and when I tour the kitchen, it's going to be after I feel like I've sorted everything out. I haven't had this much stuff that I'm in charge of in a long time, so it's actually been like a little bit stressful. But remember the practice that I had before in my previous apartment where I said it can be addicting to just keep decluttering, and that sometimes it's good to remind yourself that it's okay not to be perfect, and that it's okay to take your time to use up some of the things if they're something that you could use up in time. So anyway, I am in my kind of makeup room, and it's got this cool lighting, so I think from now on you guys can actually have decent lighting. Yay us, that's amazing. So this is a main bathroom that I use a lot of the times. I actually took a shower in the other bathroom today because I wanted the bathroom to be nice and dry for you guys to see. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, so we will move to the bathroom. And one of my favorite features of this bathroom is that when you walk in, the sensor turns on. Hi guys. So it's actually quite nice to go to the bathroom at night because it's not too bright, but it also turns on enough so I can see where everything is. But I'm actually going to go ahead and turn on the light here. And this is my main bathroom. Yay, you can see the slippers there. Annyeong. And you can see my shower. Isn't it pretty? Now, one of my favorite things about this place, this shower, is actually this little nook here. This reminds me of someone's apartment that I've seen in Brooklyn that actually had this like sunk in area that I thought it looked so cute. It looks like a spa. So that's what I have right now. And if you've been following my channel, you'll be surprised that I have this much stuff. Now, it doesn't seem like much for other people who are minimalists, or that have been, you know, seeing other minimalist channels or something, but this is a lot of stuff for me because essentially what I was gonna do is just have Dr. Bronner soap and use it for all the needs. The thing is, these were already here when I moved in, and they're actually perfectly fine products, and I think they're kind of like cute and matching each other, so I decided to keep them and then decide to use them up and use the Dr. Bronner soap for other needs like laundry and dishwashing, but at the same time, I still have plenty of products for those as well, so I'm going to slowly go through all the stuff that I have and just keep the Dr. Bronners for later when I actually finally get to use that a lot. So, but this one I'm very happy that it's here. It's actually cleansing foam. So one of the things that I mentioned before is I want to start taking care of my skin more, so that's really good for removing makeup. This body wash I really like because it actually has this very tropical smell. I don't know how to describe it, maybe it's papaya, but it's really, really nice. And as you see, I keep saying that it feels like a spa, and I'm definitely showing off here. It's got this rain shower. Yeah, so it's got this beautiful tiles here that are just, I don't know, they feel so good. They feel so zen, so it's like every time I smell this thing, it feels like it's a tropical spa, so I love that. This shampoo smells okay. It's like grapey, lemonade thing. And then there's this conditioner. I try to use a conditioner because, you know, you guys have seen my hair. Woohoo! Poof monster. I need to dye my hair and then do some more healthy things to it. But I've been kind of, I don't know, putting that off. I'm more focusing on my skin nowadays. But I do need to do that. There's my razor that I got. Here's a bar soap. This was already here, so I decided to use it up. There's actually another soap right here for the hands. And I just love the way this one is shaped. one of the reasons why I didn't really declutter it, because this is like a usable product. So again, as much as I love downsizing, reducing, decluttering, if there's already a product here that I can use, then I'm going to go ahead and do that so it's not too wasteful. So that's that. And I love the square, I don't know, square vanities. They're my thing. So there's that. And over here, I wanted to mention the towel because there were a bunch of towels in here. And originally when I moved in, because I was so stressed and I didn't want to like really deal with doing laundry or decluttering and things like that, I just went ahead and used all the towels that were in these cabinets. But then I realized come time for doing laundry, that was just way too many towels and way too stressful. So I purposefully reduced the number of towels that I use. So in the bathroom, there's only 2. But I do use like 1 or 2 more for the bathroom and just for regular use and things like that. But I definitely have way more towels, but I'm not going to use all of them. So there's that. I'm gonna stash them away. And here, let's open this cabinet. Now when you open the cabinet, you can see this is all I have. I have reduced down a lot of the products. This is like watery type essence that I use on my skin immediately when I get out of shower, because I do tend to have dry skin, so it's the emergency care. And in the makeup room that you've seen over there, there's actually a full body lotion that I bought, Cetaphil, that I actually use on my entire body, but this is like an emergency, like immediately I put on some moisture before I go ahead and dry off and put on some lotion. So there's my teeth hygiene, there's toilet paper, and there's my other towel. And you guys are gonna love this. You know how I feel about not running out of toilet paper. Now, let me remind you, I didn't go ahead and go out and hoard the toilet paper. They were already here, so I decided to actually unpack the new set of toilet papers and then just put them on here so I can use them. And over here, yeah, there's a little toilet paper Nook. There's a bidet. I don't really use the bidet because I do like the feeling of just drying off my bum with the toilet paper. I don't know. So there's that. And that's for cleaning and washing the floors and my feet and things like that. But I usually just wash my feet in there. And that's it for the actual bathroom tour. Let me flip the camera now. Hi guys, so that was my bathroom tour. Did you like it? If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching again. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye! Oh, and don't forget to have a great day. 안녕!